vanilla caramel sauce with only 5 ingredients over ice cream. It's so heavenly. Take 1 stick of butter and put in a saucepan. Add 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, pack it very firmly. Add 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream. Stir using a whisk. Set your burner on medium-high heat and whisk continuously. Cook until the mixture comes to a full boil and continue to boil for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla and stir. Pour it into another dish and just let it cool to thicken. Then stir after it has cooled. Then enjoy it. Use it as a topping for ice cream. You can add chocolate unbaked cookies. The recipe is on my channel, Southern Glance with Gail. You can put some of the caramel sauce in a different dish and add apple slices for a yummy dip. Thanks for watching.